Welcome everybody. I am CMA Ganesh Narvade and you are thinking about, sir, I have written both groups of CMA Inter. Now really what should I do? Should I start articleship immediately? Because for CMA final 15 months articleship is required. If you are old registration student 6 months required. But sir, what shall I do? Should I go for a job, articleship? Should I take dummy articleship and go for CMA final? Such type of doubts are there which are going on in your mind. No doubt, clearing final is the biggest achievement for any CMA student. But then let us study all these things in detail. My suggestion is till you complete your CMA Inter, that is till February end, don't take any such decision that whether you will go for articleship or you will go for final or anything as such. Because if you have to do 15 months articleship, you can do articleship from a reputed CMA firm, you can do articleship from companies like NMDC, BHEL. So many good companies are there. Navaratnas are there, Mini Ratnas are there, even RBI gives some articleship or some Ministry of Finance is giving some training. So there are whole lot of opportunities opening up for getting training, which is again listed in the CMA website too. So you have lot of options. So you can take a wise decision once you complete CMA Inter. You get the certificate in your hand that yes, you are qualified. If you just join a CMA firm, just a normal firm, you may not get that exposure. So my sincere suggestion regarding articleship, especially if you are investing 15 months, join in a firm where you can get reasonable exposure and hands-on knowledge which you can use for your corporate careers, which you can showcase when you apply for jobs. Second thing, you have written both groups, but you are not confident. What to do? Hey, prepare from now. Start gaining more and more knowledge in the same subjects. Okay, if you are bored reading the same thing, then start trying to read the things from a practical perspective, industry perspective. This can be done by those who are confident for the exam that surely we will clear. And those who are not confident, they also can do this. This will really boost up your confidence and improve your understanding of the subject and the way you look at the subject. This is what the most important thing which I will suggest for you. Now come to the second thing. Okay, what else we can do, sir? Hey, CMA exams are online. The importance of online examinations has increased and CMA exams will be online for sure. You have to work on your typing skills. Why I suggest you to improve your typing skills? Useful for exams and useful in the corporate careers too. You will be able to perform the task at a speed compared to your colleagues if you have good typing practice. So it is a great opportunity. Start practicing every day for 15 to 20 minutes. I will suggest you that you also give 20 minutes time for improving your English communication, written and oral both. Why? Because tomorrow you want to attend interview or corporate meetings, or you want to build network. Your English communication always will be there to rescue you, support you, right? And it will make an impression on the other person if you are able to communicate better. So work on your communication skills. This is not something like a shakalaka boom boom stick within a 1 day or 1 week you will be able to do. So it is an overnight process, whether it is typing or communication. So work on this every day for the next 1 to 2 years so that you become extraordinary at these two things. Now, what else? Can we think about jobs? The answer is yes. Can we think about foreign opportunities? The answer is yes. If you complete CMA Inter, and you go to UK NARIC website, hey, International Qualification Recognition Agency. I'll repeat the words for you, don't worry. International Qualification Recognition Agency. So our CMA Inter is considered to be equal to graduation in UK. So you can think of getting jobs after CMA Inter in UK if you get the certificate recognized by UK NARIC and apply for that jobs. Now detailed process, you have to do some search. Okay, so this is one more thing you can think after doing CMA Inter. Sir, what about final? From where should I take coaching? Wait, let the results come. But do proper study about all the teachers before taking coaching, because each teacher will take 200 hours, 250 hours for teaching you the subject. So 1500 to 1600 hours you will invest for CMA final. Invest with a teacher who can give you complete practical knowledge. So I'll make a video on it. Do subscribe to the channel and keep in touch. More informative videos, knowledgeable videos, productive videos, what you can do best after this, I will be sharing with you. So you understood what to do. Just wait for some time. Take a wise decision. You want some personal consulting? Always keep in touch with me. In about section of my YouTube channel, my phone number is there. You can send a voice message and I would be really happy to help you. And yes, learn something about resume writing, because from here that is very important. That talks about you without your presence. So let it be the best pitch about yourself. So work on resume writing too. Thank you and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye everybody.